Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how to set up SMTP in cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, SMTP is the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol and is the protocol that is used to communicate with the internet and send emails to servers. Now, to set it up in cPanel, you need to go into your email section when you, of course, log into your account. And you can create an email account on the server or enter the account's server and authentication information in the email client. Now, to create a new email account, navigate to email, then go to email accounts, then click create, and then you can just enter the username or the email address, and then you can also add a password, which should be as secure as you can. Then once you've entered everything, click create at the bottom of the page and it'll generate a new account. Then you can configure your client to a certain server to know how to authenticate. So you can just click to connect devices next to the account that you want. And on this page, you'll find the username and the URL and SMTP port number, which in this case is 465. And these details are what's needed to give to your app if you're using any app to send emails. Then once you set that up, depending on the email service you're using, of course it'll be a bit different, but just set that up and you'll be able to use this email address on the email app of your choice. Of course, I would recommend the secure SSL TLS settings. You can also use non-SSL settings if you need to. However, I do recommend using the more secure option in any scenario. And that is pretty much it. Now, you might have too many concurrent SMTP connectors, which will throw up error 421. So just control or change the SMTP accept max in XM's configuration file in the case of XM or any sort of service you're using, and you can turn on also SMTP authentication to prevent the error 550. And yeah, that happens when something goes wrong with the process, and there might be a couple of different factors, such as the misconfigured SMTP client authentication. So make sure that's done correctly. You also might have incorrect email routing, so make sure that you select the proper options. And another cause is misconfigured MX records, which you need to check if they point to the right address using this. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.